Hey there cubers, it's Belgian Speed Cuber here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do basic color swaps on big cubes such as this MoYu 9x9, and then I'm gonna show you a pattern on it. I'm really excited to show you guys this pattern, and I hope you guys are too. Okay, roll the intro. So the first things you need to know for making patterns on bigger cubes are color swaps. So what you do basically is bring a color up, let's say red, you bring it up to white, you replace it with blue, then you'll take it down, and then you'll put back the blue side. This creates a swap from the middle colors. It's also the same on the other side. Okay, so now that you know the basics, I'm gonna show you how to make a pattern. So bring red up, replace it with blue, replace these also with blue, then bring the red down, and turn the blue back. What this does is make these lines. So the next step you'll do is put red up again, change it with blue, put red down, and take blue back. This makes a cross. Let's say I want to add blue in this pattern. What you need to do is hold the cube on the other side, and I'm going to swap this blue with this white and this white with this red. So you'll put in blue, change it with red, put blue back, and put the red back. This swaps the colors. Okay. Put blue up, change it with red, put blue down, and put red back. See what it does? So let's say for the last one I want to change these. Put blue up, change it with red, put blue down, put red back. This gives you this pattern. I'm gonna do it for all the other sides, but I'm going to do it slowly so you can do it with me. Oh, and sorry, keep in mind you can slow the video down if it's too fast for you, so you can make the pattern together with me. Okay, so there you have it. This is the pattern. I hope you liked this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I do videos like this all the time. If you'd like to purchase any of these cubes in frame, I'll put a link in the description. You can buy them at Cubes UK, where I have a discount code Belgian SC5. It gives you 5% off your order. Thanks a lot for the support. It makes me able to do these videos and reviews and unboxings and so on. So thanks a lot. Okay, and oh, well, I forgot. The other side is exactly the same. So thank you guys for watching. Belgian Speedcuber out.